how you make a cloud.
Now, I'd seen this a few times on the internet. Of course, I don't believe everything that I see on the internet. First of all, boiled up some water in this little stainless steel saucepan here. Went outside, just thought I'd give it a throw. I didn't have much confidence. But look at that. Lo and behold, the saucepan of boiling water actually just turned to a cloud. Thrilled with my success the first time. Thought I'd try it a second time, but this time with a bit more of a sweep action to get a bigger cloud. And that certainly did the trick. By now it's about 7:30, 8 o'clock in Canada here. It's a beautifully sunny day. It was a very cold overnight, somewhere in the region of minus 36, 38. Just to show you here, I have a thermometer on my phone. So you can see indoors here, it's reading like 20 centigrade for the dining room table here. And as we get closer to the door, it goes down a little bit. As soon as we go outside, it's reading somewhere in the region of minus 34, minus 33. Ahoy, shipmates. Do you want to know how to make a cloud? Easy. Boiling water, minus 31 degrees centigrade. And that's how you make a cloud. Until next time, shipmates.